Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I put on false lashes, and if you want to learn, then just keep on watching. So the first thing I'm going to tell you guys before this video is putting on lashes is hard. Like, I'm going to admit it, putting on lashes is hard. And when I first started putting on lashes, it took me like months, and I'm gonna be trying to explain it the best way that I can so that you guys can learn for beginners or for people who know how to put on lashes or like know the concept, and to help them. Okay, so the first things you're gonna need to put on your eyelashes are tweezers, and you're gonna need tweezers if you're a beginner because you're psycho if you could just put your eyelashes on like that, and that's pure skill. Like, I can't even do that. An eyelash curler, the lash glue, and some eyeliner, and also some mascara. So the first step to putting on eyelashes is eyeliner. You don't have to put on eyeliner, but if you want your eyelashes to look seamless and natural, then eyeliner is a good idea. Okay, so when you put on eyelashes, usually you have like a gap between your real lashes and your falsies. Lashes I'm gonna be using are these big lashes, and like little lashes like this tend to be like a little more difficult to put on, for me at least. That's why I prefer like bigger lashes for me, because I do have trouble putting on the natural lashes. I think it's just because the band where all the hairs are on is thinner, so then I don't know why I struggle with it. But even though I know how to put on lashes, I still struggle with it. When you use natural lashes, you tend to see where your fake lash and your real lash are, so it's a good idea to wear eyeliner. And what you want to do with the eyeliner is you're gonna just line your lash line, and you don't want like a thick line. If anything, you could just put a thin line of eyeliner. And I used the NYX matte eyeliner. So this is how it looks. But for the sake of my makeup look today, I'm going to be doing a wing. So I'm just going to do my wing off camera, and I'll show you guys the rest of the steps to put on the eyelashes. And the next step is curling your eyelashes. Curling your eyelashes will make a difference because your fake lashes, your falsies that you're going to be putting on are going to be like this, and your real lashes are going to be straight. So curling your eyelashes makes a difference. Next thing you're going to use is a mascara. And it doesn't matter what kind of mascara or anything, because you're going to be covering it up with your falsies. So it doesn't really matter what mascara you're going to be using. And honestly, you only need like 2 layers. A big mistake that I see people doing is they put a lot of mascara on when they put on their lashes. And there's really no reason to do that because you're going to be using fake lashes. So honestly, you could use any mascara just as long as you're using mascara. You putting on mascara is going to make your falsies and your real eyelashes blend together more. Like, you won't be able to tell your fake lashes and your real lashes apart. When you start using lashes more, you can reuse them. You could reuse them to like 2 or 3 times, depending on how you take care of them. So between the times that you use your lashes, you are gonna need to take off the old glue that you had on when you put them on last time. Honestly, using your finger takes the glue off better. And you don't want to leave like glue on your lashes when you reuse your lashes, because first of all, you're gonna have old glue on here, and your lash line is gonna be white, so that's not cute. And when you first get lashes, they're not gonna fit your eyes unless you have big eyes. Some people do, and they don't even need to trim it. So I don't have big eyes at all, so I always need to trim it. Usually I trim off the same amount every time. So the first thing you do, the lashes already have glue from sticking onto the tray. So what you want to do is you want to set it on top of your eye, and it's gonna kind of stick because of the glue from the tray. But trim your lashes. Like, if you don't trim your lashes, you're gonna look crazy. Like, they're not gonna fit your eye whatsoever, and you're gonna look crazy, and your eye might look like this. Like, your eye is gonna look droopy if you don't trim your lashes. And some people don't trim their lashes, and they need to. When you trim your lashes, so as you could see, I need to trim it like a little bit, kind of. So when you trim your lashes, you always want to trim the ends of your eyelashes, not the inner corner of your lashes. Otherwise, you're gonna mess up your lashes, because lashes are smaller in the inner corner and then they get bigger towards the end. So if you're trimming your front corner of your lashes, you're not gonna have a small part and your whole lash is gonna be big. So always trim the outer ends of your lashes. And for lashes, as you could see, like there's little sections of hairs, and usually I trim like one section. Usually I trim like 2 sections actually, because my eyes are small. So I'm gonna show you guys how it looks. So like this is 2 sections of the eyelashes, and I'm gonna try them on now. And I think it fits, like it looks good. And the lash glue that I'm gonna be using is this Kiss lash glue. It's the one with aloe vera. There's different kinds of lash glues. So this one is it's white, but I think it dries clear. It also has like a little like brush applicator. And then there's like this kind of lash glue, and this one is a tube, so you like just squeeze it. And this one is a black colored glue. So usually when I do like a thicker wing, I use the black one, but it does get messy. So this one is actually like probably the best lash glue that I've used. And as you can see, it has like a little brush. But don't mind my lash glue. I know it looks crusty like with all the glue on the side, but I have like 5 or 6 of these bottles. Like I'm always. And come to think of it, I have a brand new one right here, and this one doesn't look as crusty. I usually like to use like a thick tweezer like this, just because it grips the lashes more. And honestly, there's another way of putting lashes on without tweezers. There are things called eyelash applicators, and I don't know where mine is right now, but I have like 2 of them, and they just grip the eyelashes better, but they do make the job kind of easier. So what you want to do is you just want to put glue all over the band. And usually what I like to do is put more glue on the front and more glue on the ends of the lashes, because the corner of your lashes tend to come off really easily. So I like to put a decent amount on my lash. And you can't put your lashes on right away, because if you put your lashes on right away, it's gonna be wet, it's gonna be a mess, and you might get it in your eye. So you have to usually like blow on it and like shake it or whatever for like a minute or so. And don't put too much glue on your lash band, because it's gonna take forever to get tacky, and you want your lashes to get tacky. You don't want it wet. You could usually tell when it's tacky when it turns like blue and not white anymore, because this glue is gonna dry clear. And when you're applying the lash, you want to like look down like at a mirror, and you want to apply it from on top kind of. And you want to apply the lash in the middle of your eye, and then you can fix the corners after you got it like settled on your eye. Sometimes you want to like bend your lash though, so that it's like a curve, I guess. So if it's your eye, a little better. So you want to grab it from the middle, and you want to look down at a mirror and apply it on the middle of your eye. And now that you have it on your eye, you want to fix your outer corner first and make sure it's sticking to your eyelid. And you want to fix your inner corner really carefully, just so that it doesn't stick to anything else. You don't want your eyelashes to stick to your real lashes, because at the end of the night, when you take your lashes off, you're gonna rip your real lashes with it. So make sure it's not sticking your real lashes and that it's above your lashes. And if you feel any type of discomfort when you have your lashes on, you gotta restart and you gotta put them back on again. Because if you feel any discomfort now when you're doing your makeup, when you're out, your eye is gonna be itchy and it's not gonna feel comfortable at all. So you wanna make sure before you leave the house, if your eyelash feels any discomfort, you gotta reapply it before you leave, because it's gonna bother you the whole day. After you apply your lash, you want to squeeze your real lash and your fake lash together, and make sure to like do that at the root of your lashes, just so that they blend in together. So I'm gonna do the same to my other eye, and hopefully you guys can see. Another step that I love to do is putting mascara on your lower lashes, because as you could tell, I have really big lashes on and I have like no lashes at the bottom. So I like to use a little mascara and do my lower lashes, just so that like the eye could go together and your eyes could look bigger, I guess. But anyways, that is it for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed, and if this video helped you, then don't forget to leave a like and be subscribed to my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.